Dymax 9309-SC edgebond adhesive has no solvents added and is designed for BGA applications where shock attenuation and ruggedizing of components on printed circuit boards is required. The product cures tack-free with UV visible light in seconds and is formulated with Dymax patented C-Cure technology. C-Cure technology gives the adhesive a bright blue color in the uncured state, making it highly visible when dispensed around PCB components. Upon sufficient exposure to light energy, the adhesive transitions from blue to colorless, indicating complete cure of the material. 9309SC is compatible with needle or jet dispensing equipment for easy application and is highly thixotropic for minimal movement afterward. The adhesive bonds rapidly to a variety of materials such as lead frame, silicone, ceramic, and PCB. The product is ideal for shock absorption and reinforcement of fine pitch or leadless components on PCBs, where precise placement and immediate strength is critical. It can also be used as an encapsulant or underfill alternative. 9309SC adhesive is used for a variety of edgebond applications within the consumer electronics market, including mobile phones, laptop computers, gaming consoles, and digital music players. The low VOC, very fast cure, and one-component nature of this material provides manufacturers with an environmentally friendly alternative to other chemistries, as well as the added benefits of higher throughput and reduced waste. To learn more about 9309SC edgebond adhesive with C-Cure technology, contact the Dymax Application Engineering team.